So no starts Monday. But here's a sneak peek. Oh, you're the one who just wants to try all the obvious stuff. How? I was not him. Oh, yeah. Well, that was obvious. This is Sheila. This is the companion board. This is the novelty board. This is how they get television. 150 channels, just pretending. And the fork lever, how it's gonna work, and their antenna to the television. The radio, but that doesn't come till episode. That's the radio, but that doesn't come till episode 3. And that's just pretty much about. Yeah, but we got all this other fancy stuff here. So we'll see y'all starting Monday.